In today's fast-paced digital environment, businesses are under increasing pressure to respond to customer needs instantly, automate repetitive processes, and drive efficiency across every department. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic tool. It's a present-day necessity. For organizations using Salesforce, Agentforce is a game changer. Agentforce enables you to build intelligent, task driven AI agents directly within Salesforce. These agents can interact with users, automate tasks, gather insights, and streamline complex workflows, all from within your existing CRM environment. Whether you're in sales, support, marketing, or operations, Agentforce gives you a scalable way to infuse AI into your day-to-day Salesforce use. In this video, we'll explore how Agentforce works, highlight its most important features, and explain why it's a valuable tool for organizations looking to blend human workflows with AI precision in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the no-code AI agent builder. Agentforce's visual builder allows users to create AI-driven agents without writing any code. You can drag and drop workflows, set rules for when agents should trigger, and define specific Salesforce actions, such as sending emails, creating tasks, or modifying records. This democratizes AI within your organization, giving non developers the power to design intelligent automation. Sales managers, support leads, or operations admins can deploy agents on their own terms, quickly and confidently. Another key feature is the seamless integration with Salesforce objects. Agentforce integrates natively with Salesforce's standard and custom objects, from leads and opportunities to accounts, cases, and campaigns. You can build agents that interact with real-time CRM data, reference fields, and use triggers based on user input or back-end changes. Because the platform is built specifically for Salesforce, your agents don't operate in isolation. They are deeply embedded in the workflows of your team already use. This leads to better data alignment, smoother automations, and minimal disruption during rollout. Another key feature is the automated workflows and task execution. Agents built in Agentforce can carry out Salesforce tasks automatically, like assigning leads to reps, updating records after a customer interaction, logging call results, or following up on incomplete actions. Workflows can be triggered by system events or user behavior. This reduces administrative overhead, improves task accuracy, and frees up valuable time for team members to focus on building relationship building and strategy instead of routine data entry. Another key feature is the conversational AI and natural language understanding. Agentforce agents support conversational interactions using natural language processing. This allows them to understand and respond to human input, making them ideal for live chat environments, in-app assistance, and automated ticket triage. This feature enhances both customer experience and internal efficiency. AI agents can handle common inquiries, route cases to the right person, or guide users through self-service workflows 24/7 with human-like communication. Another key feature is the performance analytics and agent optimization tools. Agentforce includes built-in analytics to track how your agents perform over time. Metrics such as response success rate, number of interactions handled, and task completion times help you assess effectiveness. You can use this data to refine workflows and improve outcomes. Analytics bring visibility to your AI efforts. You can justify automation investments, fine tune agents based on user feedback, and continuously evolve your automations to better meet team and customer needs. So, why is Agentforce a great choice? Agentforce is one of the few platforms that brings the full power of AI directly into the Salesforce ecosystem in a way that's simple to use and highly effective. Its no-code interface lowers the barrier to AI adoption, empowering teams to automate processes that were once too complex or time-consuming to optimize. In 2025, as businesses seek to scale while keeping overhead low, tools like Agentforce help bridge the gap between automation and personalization. The platform is especially valuable for teams juggling high volumes of leads, support cases, or operational workflows, allowing them to maintain speed without sacrificing quality. Agentforce also fosters a culture of innovation by giving users across departments the tools to experiment, iterate, and automate without relying entirely on engineering teams. It's a modern platform that matches Salesforce's vision for intelligent, unified business operations. So basically, in an era where automation is key to scale, Agentforce delivers an accessible, intelligent solution that empowers Salesforce users to do more with less effort. Whether you're looking to reduce manual tasks, accelerate sales cycles, or improve customer support efficiency, Agentforce gives you the tools to deploy smart, AI powered agents inside your CRM. So start exploring Agentforce today and take your Salesforce automation strategy to the next level in 2025, smarter, faster, and future ready. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.